Hello, my name is Robert Pound and I am a product technologist for Quest. In this video, we'll discuss the installation of Toad Data Modeler. Toad Data Modeler enables you to easily create high-quality data models across more than 20 different platforms. This video walks through the process of installing Toad Data Modeler as a standalone product. If you are installing it as part of a suite of products, Toad for Oracle for instance, then the process will be different. Looking at the installation guide under System Requirements, we can see what is required to install Toad Data Modeler with a minimum of 1 gig of RAM and 400 megabytes of storage, and a minimum Windows system going all the way back to Windows Vista. If you haven't downloaded the installation guide, you can go to support.quest.com and look under Documentation to find the Toad Data Modeler installation guide. It is recommended because it covers other topics not in this video, including silent installation, default location, uninstallation, and trial version restrictions, etc. There are three main paths for the installation. There's new installation, which we'll cover in this video. There's also upgrade and side-by-side installation. So upgrade if you want to take advantage of the latest and greatest version of Toad Data Modeler. And side-by-side installation, you have the option to install the latest and greatest version, but you're not quite ready to migrate fully to the latest and greatest version. You're not quite ready to migrate to the latest version. So let's go ahead and move to the Downloads folder and go ahead and start the installation. After the welcome page, I will be prompted to accept the EULA, or the End User License Agreement. And I can change the default path if I choose, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it default. And you also have the option to add shortcuts to your start menu, to your desktop. Let's go ahead and install. And I also have the option to start it up immediately. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can also look at release notes if I choose. Let me go ahead and click Finish, and Toad Data Modeler will start up. And since I already had a configuration previously, it's asking me if I want to use the previous configuration or a new configuration. I'm going to go ahead and choose a new configuration. And now Toad Data Modeler is ready to use. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully this helped you understand about Toad Data Modeler and how quickly and easily you can get up and running. For more information on this or other topics, you can check out the help topics in the tool itself. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld. For more information about this product, go to www.quest.com/products/Toad Data Modeler. Thank you and have a tremendous day.